Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video, we will talk about how to boost Valorant FPS. So first we have to right click on the Windows button and go to settings. In settings, click on the gaming button. Go to the game mode option in the left side. Make sure to turn the game mode setting on. Now let's get back to home. In the search bar, we have to type graphics settings. Let's go to graphics settings. We have to make sure that the harder accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on. Now I have to add Valorant in the graphics performance preference section. Let's navigate to the Valorant exe file location. Mine is located here. Now click add, then click on Valorant options and select the high performance preset and click save. Now let's open Valorant. Let's go to settings. Now go to video settings, click on display full screen and aspect ratio method letterbox, click apply. Make sure that you turn low latency on. Now go to graphics quality, make sure to turn multi-threaded rendering on. Set every detail quality to low, vignette and VSync off, anti-aliasing none, anisotropic filtering 4x or 8x, improved clarity, experimental sharpening off, bloom off, distortion and cast shadow also turned off. Now go to audio, turn off HRTF. Now that should help gain the much needed FPS. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.